Make a great choice today with the 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.